I'd show you my process for unraveling after using my specific type of needle join. Sometimes I have to really feel around to find that little knot, and I believe that's it. So I pull on the knot and pull the piece of yarn out of its hiding place and pull the other piece out of its hiding place. And then I'm left with the knot itself. And I do this on a regular basis. I take these things out, which is why I don't like the ends woven in two directions. And then I carefully loosen the knot itself. That was the snug knot, and this is the gentle knot. And now we're back to the place where it could conceivably unravel by itself. But I believe that all of that has those ends in there so securely that unless somebody is purposefully trying to do this, the ends are not going to come loose. And then to get my yarn retrieved, I continue this process. Carefully pulling these things apart. And now I can retrieve my yarn and go back to another round and fix a mistake if it's something that can't be fixed in the way I showed you before, which there is a mistake on the green round and I have to fix it. I could have fudged it, and I don't believe there's anything wrong with fudging because, you know, people don't notice these things. But if you find a real glaring error and you have to go back, then do it. I love reusing yarn. I don't waste very much yarn at all. You ought to see my yarn collection. It's got skeins and balls, and I even save all of the clips, the little tiny ends of yarn that I clip off of my work as I go. And the reason why is because they make great stuffing if you're going to make an amigurumi. Anyway, as you can see, I'm not shy about unraveling if necessary, and that's why I use the needle join with a knot and shorter ends and weave them in only one direction.